Welcome, Ekabo. In today's video, we are going to have a look at how to talk about the weather in Yoruba. There are a few phrases you can use for this. Firstly, to do so, we're going to be using the and then the verb. So this is essentially present continuous in English. So if you think it is raining, as in it's raining right now, if you don't use the and you just use, you take it out and you just have the verb, it becomes a past tense. It will all make sense once I break this down. So follow along. Ejekabere, let's begin. Orun. It is sunny. Orun is sun. Orun mu. Orun mu. It is sunny. Orun mu. It is hot. Oru is basically heat. Oru mu. Oru mu. It is hot. Ojo nro. Ojo is rain. It is raining. Ojo ro. Ojo nro. It is raining. Ojo nfun. It is drizzling. Ojo fun. Ojo fun. It is drizzling. Otutu mu. It is cold. Otutu is cold. Otutu mu. Otutu mu. It is cold. Ategun fe. It is windy. Ategun is wind. Ategun fe. Ategun fe. It is windy. Ijinja. It is stormy. Iji is storm. Iji ja. Ijinja. It is stormy. Aranson. Thunder is striking. Aranson. But really, when the thunder strike, it usually happens very quickly. So you're more likely to hear someone say arason, as in thunderstruck. Arason. Ara son. Aranson. Thunder is striking. Irinse. The dew is settling. But really, normally, obviously, dew would have already settled before you see it. So you're more likely to hear someone say irise. And that's what I meant earlier by, removing the makes it past tense, essentially. Se. Irin se. The dew is settling. Mono mono hon. Lightning appeared. Mono mono hon. Mono mono hon. Lightning appeared. Well, that's the end of the video, really. Of course, there are other weather conditions, as in English, there are in Yoruba as well. These are just some for you to get started. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment as well. I like reading comments. It gives me encouragement. I am encouraged. So thank you very much for watching. Thanks for engaging. And if you know anyone that is trying to learn Yoruba, please feel free to share with them. My aim really is to spread the love and sharing Yoruba language and culture as far and wide as possible. Thanks again. Ẹ ṣeun. Ó dàbọ̀. Bye.